Yun. So, hi Josh and May. Congratulations and best wishes sa inyong dalawa. Sana ay maging okay and um, pure of happiness and love ang inyong marriage life. May sabi din si Pau. Bye!
Hi, Josh and me. Wishing you a lifetime full of love and happiness. God bless your marriage.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Ayan. Hi, Edlin and Josh! Finally, no, sa inabahaba ng prosesyon sa simbahan yung tuloy. So, yun, congrats! Eh, grabe, nakakaiyak nung nakita ko kayo na nagpaso. So, nice! Congrats! And, ayun, Josh, alagaan si Ed, bali si Josh, and ano lang, kumbaga, sabi nga, love is a choice and you always choose each other. Love you guys! Congrats! Bye-bye!
Hi, May. Congrats.
Hi, Juice and me. Congrats.
Hello, Doc May. Doc May, si Nanet. Congratulations sa wedding nyo ni Wabi. Alam ko naman na matagal mo na yan hinihiling and everything. Witness kami, Doc, ni Doc Nadine at ang ibang fellows. At ang dialysis unit sa lahat ng mga challenges mo sa buhay. Ay, may ano pala. Ayun lang, wala na ako masyadong masasabi. Basta congratulations and yun lang. Love you, Mama.
Ni hao! Yan lang.
Congratulations and best wishes to Mr. and Mrs. Descalzo.
Hi, ate and kuya. Congratulations. Best wishes. Sana magka pamangkin.
Sana magka-twins agad. Ninang da si Kicks out, Ninang da si Kicks sa firstborn.
Hi, Doc May and Doc Josh. Congratulations. Best wishes po. O, si Doc naman.
Doc May, Doc Josh, congratulations sa wedding and I hope the both of you are very, very happy always. Merry Christmas po!
Hello? Hello, May and Josh. Congratulations. Ito si Jamay. Wait, asan si Jamay? Nag-CR siya. Congratulations. And then,
Yan o. Hello, Josh and me. Um, enjoy kayo parate. Enjoy the journey. Okay, here lang kami. If you need mga kung ano-ano man. Go.
Congratulations! Best wishes!
Bye! See ya!
hello, Doc May and Wabi. Best wishes and congratulations on your wedding day. Thank you for having us.
On your special day. Thank you, Doc.
Thank you. God bless.
Yan o. Picture.
Mm, Kano?
May and Josh. Congrats and best wishes. Yeah. Go and multiply. Bye-bye.
Boy,
Alit
congrats.
lang o, yan o.
Hello, boy, congratulations. Sana maganda ang pagsasama ninyo ni May. Ah, love na love kita, Boboy. Wala na akong alagaan. May mag-aalaga na sa'yo.
Hello, Pewa, Ate May.
Hi, Tito!
Congratulations.
Hi, Tita! Ang cute niyo po sa wedding kanina. Have a happy, happy marriage, guys.
Hello, Doc May, Joshi. Merry Christmas and congratulations, Mama.
Ah,
Recording na to. Yes, hello. Congrats. Yun lang. Yun na.
Diretso na. Diretso na.
May, congratulations. God bless sa Indo. Yun na, pili na.
Hi, Eds and Josh. Congratulations, best wishes, and sana magpakarami kayo.
Congrats. Congrats din.
Yeah, we love you.
Paano ito makita?
Kuya Joshua, Ate May, sana po makasama po kita sa sa pagkainan sa Barriad House po. Happy marriage po. Enjoy your life po. Bye-bye.
Ay. Hi, Doc Me. Malayo. Hi, Josh. Si Josh, kilala ko niya. Nauna ko before kasi common friend namin si Clifford. Tapos si Doc Me, when I get to know you, sobrang happy and blessed ako na nakilala ko si Doc Me. Actually, hindi ko na-expect na makasama ko sa Entourage. But I wish you the best and a happy married life. It will be a roller coaster. We all know that. But I know that you will stick to each other in the end. And sana maging fruitful and marami kayong kids later on. It will not be only a loving but a very fun marriage and relationship. Love you both.
Hello. Hi guys. Si Atria to. Anyway, I've known you guys for like the longest time. Chari, hindi naman. Pero I'm so happy for you both. Deepest congratulations sa inyo. Anyway, ang masasabi ko lang siguro, I'm not married yet. So, wala naman akong married advice. Pero ang nakita ko lang sa mga relationships ng friends, no? Children come and go, pero kayong dalawa, it's kayong magkakampi, no? So, go and conquer the world together. No? I wish you all the best, no? Bye!
Nandito na naman ulit ako. Ang masasabi ko lang po ulit sa inyo ay I love you so much, tita and tita. Thank you for being the best and we hope to see you this Christmas.
Ate, kuya, lang po. Ayusin ko lang po. Ang lapit ko kanina. Happy marriage po. Sana po. Uy, si Tita J. Sana po enjoy nyo po yung life nyo. Sana makapag-adventure ka mo ng kayo ng abroad. Kaya nyo yan. Doktor kayo. Grabe. Congrats po. Happy marriage and happy life. Bye-bye po. Hindi ko sure kung maganda yun.
Hello, Edley and Josh. Best wishes. What's your wish for their married life? Advice lang, just be understanding with each other, have patience, and lahat ng away nadadaan sa mabuti usapan. That's all. God bless your marriage.
Hi, Doc. Congratulations. Uy, low battery na bakla. Oh. Bakla, congrats. Uy, Doc, congrats. Doc, congrats. Doc, bye-bye.
Hi. Congratulations on your wedding. Thank you for inviting us. Road to J1 na agad.
Congratulations, Josh and May. Congratulations.
Hello. Congratulations and best wishes to the newlywed. Bongga siya ang wedding. It's really memorable. Magpakarami para madagdagan ng magaganda at talented ang Purok 5 ng Pawa, Tabaco City. God bless!
Hi, Josh and May. Wishing you God's blessings, grace, and protection all throughout your married life. Praying for you, this is Tita Chu.
Hello. Hi. Hi, Edlene. Hi, Josh. Congratulations. Congratulations to the both of you. Wishing you a happy, loving, and blessed marriage. So, thank you very much for inviting me, and God bless you both.
Hello. Hello ate. Hello Kuya Wa.
May video ta.
Ano na kamo niyan? Husband and wife. Sana maging maugma kamo and maging healthy ang family and maugma syempre. And alam ko ang sa career nindo mag-grow man ulit kamo. And you will pursue separate ngunyan magkaibahan na kamo sa pag-pursue kang career nindo. And alam ko masuportahan ka mong duwa sa lambang saro. And kaya manggaray kami para as a secondary family para sa endo. Ni mama and papa. Ano naman Ay, suki card.
Hi, Ate Mimi and Kuya Wa. Best wishes and of course congratulations sa inyong dua. And I'm hoping and wishing for a very happy, fruitful, and healthy lives ahead of you. Yun man lang. And I wish you all the best in life. Thank you so much po, Dukis.
Ay tapos so wish ni mama. Maaraman mo na lang. Dahil paaram mo niyan. Bye-bye. Congrats ulit ate and Kuya Wa.
Hello, Kring Kring. Happy wedding day, Kuya Wa and Ate May. We love you both. I hope you enjoy married life together. Sana may kalaro na si Ellie soon at yung little Renzi boy. Yep, yep, yep. We wish you all the best. Sana masaya ang marriage. Lahat ng struggles sa married life ma-overcome nyo. Be patient always with each other kahit pa ang isa dyan. Lagi nakakasa kay Ate May. Oh. Kuya Wa, ipos-ipos ta bako lang doa nakamungon niya na magibo kang harong. Okay? Okay.
Okay na.
Wait. Hello? Hello, hello? Hello? Moshi, moshi? Moshi, moshi? Okay. Happy wedding, Joshi and Timay. Sana ma-enjoy nyo ang married life together as both doctors. And sana, ma-follow up din with a little baby of your own. Para may kalaro na rin sina Ellie at si baby brother. So, ayun, we wish you all the best. And also enjoy life. Life. Bye-bye.
And then what?
Make a message for Uncle Tita May.
Happy wedding, Tita May and Uncle Ninong. Love you. Happy wedding very much. And also, if you have time, we do movie night. We do movie night, okay? Okay, bye.
Hi, Doc May. Hi, Doc Josh. Best wishes. Congratulations, Doc May. You know how much I love you and I wish you all the best and happiness. To you, Doc Josh, Wabi, please love Doc May the way she loves you. And I wish you all the best. Congratulations.
Hi Josh. Hi May. Congratulations to the both of you guys. I know we didn't have any time to actually do a meeting, no. May it be physical or virtual, but I wish you guys all the best. And I hope you have an awesome future together with your future family. At sana, together with all the family members and friends you will be having an awesome day today on your wedding day. Again, congratulations. Let's have fun. Let's enjoy. And yeah, let's have a blast. Again, this message is coming from your host, the Gusuing sa Bicalandia, Gus Borja. Merry Christmas!
Okay, so the question we got is
Which one will win an argument and why?
we think it's Ate Mimi.
Yeah.
Because she is she's very fierce, but she is nice to people. She is also nice to people, but I really think she would win an argument.
I think she would win an argument. I don't know. I'm biased. But yeah, I think Ate Mimi would win the argument.
Yes.
Period.
Okay,
What do you think?
Please don't argue when you're now married. And always love each other, okay?
Oh, that's very nice. Okay, bye bye.
Hello!
Happy wedding.
Hap-
Happy anniversary. Happy wedding.
Happy wedding ko muna.
Congratulations sa wedding.
Congratulations, Mami! Sana na someday, in the future, we're going to watch this and everyone na nag-message dito will be reminded that we are loved during this very special day. Ay, ako naman ako. Thank you, Mami, for the love and the support always. I promise that I will be there for you wherever and whenever. I love you so much.
Thank you, Ate Mimi. I promise to always love you all also. Forever and ever. Okay. End ko na.